Hello everybody, please watch this video and like, favorite, and subscribe. Thank you, and let's get on. Hello guys! Welcome back to another famous episode of Animal Jam with your host, Cheyenne Rocks. My name is actually Cheyenne anyway, so yeah. My friend who owns this den should be here. TV. Yes. More Sundays, please. More Sundays, please. More Sundays. What a coincidence. 8 diamonds. So, I'm on a good start. I just need 2 more weeks to get 10 diamonds, and next week school starts. 3 more days school starts, so all my friends that I know are going to Oakridge except Sierra. Her little brother Anthony, he's in kindergarten or 1st grade. He got hives on him, and he got stung by a bee 6 times because it was a nest, and he was rushed to the hospital. And he took a pill and he was in a seizure, and he took a pill that he was very allergic to, and he got knocked out. So yeah. So I like pie. Give me some pie. No. Give me pie. No. Pie. No. Yeah. My sister is making pie, and my little sister is by me. And say hi. Hi. What's up, people? Bikini Bottom. Did you say bottom? No. Dolphin. That was a shark. Why were you eating out of my gingerbread house? Because you did. Every day I am recording. Oh, I got the bear back. It's dancing. Nothing really else to do. I really want to get some stuff from Epic Wonders. Knocking down. Dragonheart. Dragonheart is actually a boy. I don't think so. You're not a boy. 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 You're nothing a boy. You're nothing a boy. I have nothing to do with it, so. Sorry. Ah! Okay. Why am I keep on doing? Wow. Why are you eating out of my gingerbread? Why are you eating out of my gingerbread house? Because it was tasty. No. Boom, boom. Guys. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I tried this doing my blue wings. And oh my god. Oh my god. Look what I got. Oh my god. A DJ headset. Settle down, Cheyenne. Settle down. I'm not going to donate. What for Bo? What for Bo? What for Bo? I put all my stuff on trade. Well, so what for Bo? I'm gonna be clothes items. Lightning necklace. Jeez, I think I heard something. Yeah, like a tornado. Just kidding. No, yeah, a thunderstorm. So endurance. But like Animal Jam right now, these aren't rare. They used to be rare, but they're not. So. Okay. What did I just get? I am so confused. JSLB, where are you? Frozen. Guys, I'm not gonna end the video right now, but please like, favorite, and subscribe, and please like, favorite, and subscribe, and we are doing giveaways. Whoever's my 5th and 10th subscriber will get, probably not really get rare to click on me. And I will be starting mail time, except I can't because I don't have any mail. Jesus Christ. I can't believe that I got a hit. First thing. Who are you? Like, who are you? It looks like he has like a bomb on his head, like Squidward whenever he gets hit by SpongeBob. He gets a... What the heck is that? Come here! Me. This looks so cute. Like, I'm just standing here. Don't bother me. I'm okay here. If I'm that. Oh, I'm gonna play in the mud. Let's dance in the mud with the hog. Don't leave me here. I am so awesome. Can you see me? Whoa, what the heck is that? Oh yeah, I already have it. Well. Whee! Huh? Yeah, sure. I got bullet arrows! Oh my gosh! Guys, I'm gonna cry right now. I am gonna cry right now. Oh my flippin' trade and flippin' awesome in my flippin' trade. Flippin'. Oh my. I'm so happy. I always wanted a bowl. I'm so happy. Happy dance. Happy dance. Happy dance. Happy dance. Happy dance. Happy dance. Sorry, that's actually my sister banging on her new drum set. That's bad. Be quiet. Yeah. Happy dance. Happy dance. Happy dance. Be quiet. Yeah. Sorry. I got my helmet. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm gonna take a shower. Beep. Oh my god, I'm so happy. My flippin' mail, flippin' everything, flippin'. I gotta go tell my friends. No. Dragonheart, Dragonheart, Dragonheart. Darn it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please like, favorite, and subscribe. Bye.